Hello, today we are unboxing this new motherboard from Gigabyte, which has wooden elements and increased elegancy because of it. But before we look at the board, let's check out the box and see what's inside. So the motherboard has a designation X870E AERO X3D Wood. And the box also resembles wooden colors, and it's very simplistic in its design, with absolutely no photos and no additional information about the motherboard. So let's check inside. First we have this security sticker, and then we can open the box. This is empty. No antenna like in previous motherboards. The motherboard itself is laid inside of this anti-static box and on top of the other cardboard box. Let's see how this exactly opens. Oh, it's like this. And here we have the bundle. So I guess that's all. And here we have some bump stoppers for the SSD, some SATA cable, Wi-Fi antenna, another bump stop. We have a multilingual installation guide. We have the G connector, another bump stop, this little pamphlet, and let's check what's inside here. Oh, really nice addition to the motherboard for your keys. It's aluminium and it looks really nice. And let's check the motherboard. And now we can see all the wooden trim. So we have some here on top of the I/O ports. We have another one here. And also we have two pulleys here for the coolers. Let's open them later, and now let's take a look closer at the details. It looks gorgeous. The board has a 20 phase VRM. And it's got this nice aluminium silver backplate with AERO insignia on it. And now let's check the SSD coolers. Okay, this one needs to be opened like this. And it's in one piece. It covers 3 PCI 3 M2 SSDs, and it has this beautiful wooden trim. Also here we have a top M2 cooler, which has a very interesting design. And we can see the white PCB a little bit better. We have one sticker over here, which is not really easy to remove because it's under the wood. The cover for the VRM cooler is plastic, and it also has an arrow sign on it. So this board really looks nice, really beautiful. And that's it. Stay tuned for the written review. See you later.